Do you want to know exactly what your competitors are doing to dominate search results? In the next 15 minutes, I'll show you how to uncover your rivals' SEO secrets using SEMrush. Stay tuned because the technique at minute 8 could be a game changer for your business. Hi guys, my name is Apoorv and I'm the founder of Derivate X. And today we are diving deep into the world of competitor research using SEMrush. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to up your SEO game, this video will give you the tools to outrank your competition. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to uncover your competitor strategies, find their weakness, and use that information to skyrocket your own rankings. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's talk about why competitor research is so crucial. According to a study by HREFs, the top ranking page for a given keyword gets an average of 31.7% of all clicks. That means if you're not on top, you're missing out on a huge chunk of potential traffic. But don't worry, we are about to change that. Step 1, identifying your competitors. First things first, we need to know who we are up against. SEMrush makes this easy with their domain overview tool. Log into your SEMrush account and navigate to the domain overview tool. Type in your domain here. For example, let's say razorpay.com. Now scroll down to the main organic competitors section. This one. Here, you will see a list of domains that are competing for the same keywords as you. But don't stop there. Also consider brands you know are your direct business competitors. Second, companies showing up for your target keywords in Google. Pro tip, don't just focus on the big players. Sometimes smaller, nimbler competitors can provide valuable insights. Step 2, analyzing competitors' organic search performance. Now that we know who our competitors are, let's see how they are performing. In the domain overview tool itself, in the input field, type in your competitor's domain, for example, stripe.com. Scroll down and look at the organic research section. Here, you will see key metrics like organic traffic, number of keywords they rank for, traffic cost, which is basically the estimated amount they would need to pay for this traffic through PPC, pay per click. Let's take a real life example. Let's say we are running an online pet supply store. We might find that a competitor, Pet Supply Co., is ranking for 50,000 keywords and getting an estimated 500,000 organic visits per month. That's valuable information. Step 3, uncovering competitors' top performing keywords. Now, this is where the real gold is. We are going to find out exactly which keywords are driving traffic to our competitors. In the domain overview screen, scroll down to the top organic keyword section and click on View Details. You will now see a list of your competitors' top performing keywords. Pay special attention to these two things. First, keywords with high search volume and low keyword difficulty. Second, keywords that are highly relevant to your business but you're not targeting it. Now let me show you how can you find keywords that have a lower keyword difficulty and a high search volume for your business. Go to KD and choose very easy, which is keyword difficulty very easy, and choose a volume. For example, let's say keywords that have at least 1000 monthly volume, and here we have the entire list of keywords. Now you have to trim the keywords out. You have to choose the right keywords that you can actually use in your business, because if you're actually seeing, in fact, stripe.com is ranking on the position 96 for this keyword, 78 for this keyword. You can also choose traffic to sort. Okay, so we have different languages keywords here. We have to dig in through and find some keywords that we can actually use. But yeah, this is the process. You can also try one more thing, which is remove these filters and click on results. Perfect. Results is basically for XYZ keyword, how many results are being shown on Google. So SAR to ZAR, I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, not much of results are showing. So it's a good keyword for you to work on, but it has a volume of only 40 and keyword difficulty of 25. So you can play around with these filters to actually find the right kind of keywords, or group of keywords, a chunk of keywords to actually work on. Continuing the same example, for a pet supply store, we might discover that Pet Supply Co. is ranking number 1 for hypoallergenic dog food brands, a term with 10,000 monthly searches and moderate competition. That's an opportunity we can't ignore. Step 4, analyzing competitors' content strategy. Now let's see what kind of content is winning for our competitors. In the left pane, click on Organic Research. Scroll down to Top Pages and click on View All. Now, these are your competitors' best performing pages. Herein, you have to look for content types. It can be blogs, product pages, etc. Topics that are resonating with their audience. And third, content length and format. You might find that Pet Supply Co. has a comprehensive guide to choosing the right dog food that is driving a ton of traffic. This gives you ideas for your own content strategy. Step 5, Backlink Analysis. Backlinks are a crucial ranking factor. Let's see where our competitors are getting their links from. In the left sidebar, click on Backlink Analytics. Here, you will see an overview of your competitor's backlink profile. Now pay attention to these things: number of backlinks, number of referring domains, authority of referring domains, and what is the top anchor text. For example, you might discover that Pet Supply Co. has a lot of backlinks from pet blogger reviews. This could inspire you to start a blogger outreach program of your own. Step 6, Identifying keyword gaps. This is the game changing technique I mentioned earlier. SEMrush has a keyword gap tool that allows you to find keywords your competitors rank for but you don't. In the left sidebar under competitive research, click on keyword gap, enter your domain and up to 4 competitor domains and click on compare. Let's say a website is razorpay.com and a competitor is stripe.com. Click on compare. Once the page is entirely loaded, you just have to look for two things. First, untapped, and second is weak. Untapped section is where competitors rank but you don't, and weak keywords where competitors outrank you. For our pet store example, we might find that competitors are ranking for terms like best grain free cat food or dog arthritis supplements, opportunities that we have been missing. Step 7, Tracking progress. Finally, set up position tracking to monitor how you are performing against competitors for your target keywords. In the left sidebar under keyword research, click on position tracking. Set up a new campaign for your domain. Enter the location that you're targeting, for example, India, and click on Continue to Keywords. Here, add your target keywords. This will give you ongoing insights into your performance relative to competitors. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to conducting competitor research using SEMrush. Remember, the goal is not to copy your competitors but to understand the landscape and find opportunities they might have missed. By regularly conducting this kind of analysis, you will stay ahead of the curve and continue to improve your SEO performance. In fact, businesses that conduct regular competitor analysis are 50% more likely to see year over year growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital marketing insights. And hey, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway from this video. Until next time, keep optimizing.